If your Gmail emails are stuck in the queued zone, you've got a problem. But don't worry, we've got the fix. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak connection can cause emails to get stuck. Next, check Google's server status. Sometimes it's not you, it's them. Ensure Gmail isn't in offline mode. Go to Settings and toggle offline mode off and on. Try disabling and enabling Gmail sync. It's like giving your email a little nudge. Clear cache and cookies from your browser or app. A full cache can clog things up. Temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes it overreacts. Still stuck? Force close Gmail, clear app data, and restart your device. Make sure your Gmail app and OS are up to date. Outdated software can cause hiccups. Try sending emails in a private window or safe mode. This helps identify pesky browser extensions. Lastly, check your storage. Low storage can stall emails too. If all else fails, contact Google support. They're there to help, and that's it. Your Gmail should be up and running smoothly.